Understanding Memorial Fund, a guide to compassionate giving. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and significance of the phrase, Memorial Fund. This term may come up in news articles, during charitable events, or when a community comes together to honor someone's memory. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a memorial fund is and how it reflects our values of remembrance and support. A memorial fund is a pool of money collected in honor of an individual who has passed away. This fund is typically established to support a cause that was important to the deceased, such as scholarships, research, or charitable work. It's a way for the memory of the person to continue having a positive impact on the world. Establishing a memorial fund can be a formal or informal process. It might involve setting up a trust or simply collecting donations to be given to a specific charity. The key aspect is that the funds are used in a way that commemorates the individual's life and passions. Memorial funds are more than just financial resources. They represent a community's respect and admiration for an individual. They help to carry on a legacy, whether that's by helping students through scholarships, advancing medical research, or supporting the arts. If you're interested in starting a memorial fund, it involves several steps like choosing a cause, setting up a legal entity if required, and deciding how the funds will be managed. Transparency and clarity about the fund's purpose are crucial to gain support and trust. For those who wish to contribute, it's important to understand how your donation will be used. Look for funds that are clear about their goals and how they honor the memory of the individual. Remember, every contribution helps to keep the legacy alive. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what a memorial fund is and how it serves as a powerful means of remembrance. By participating in or setting up a memorial fund, you are helping to turn grief into a positive force for change. Stay inspired and see you in the next video.